Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and of course some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I make my 14 smoked streaky bacon rashers in the oven. So whatever bacon you have, let's put it in the oven. So here I have my tray and my oven is set at 176 or 175 degrees Celsius. That is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, right? So yeah, just turn on your little oven and I'm just laying down my bacon. So you want to make sure that most of the bacon is just out. Don't just lay them on top of each other because we're trying to get the edges crispy. We're trying to get as much of it crispy as we can. Right? So yeah, just lay them bacon down, lay them down, and make sure you have them going in a little way that, as I said, you can just, you see how I flip them? One, the edge is down, the other one, the edge is up. So yeah, just try to lay them down. I mean, if it's not the bacon rashers you use, then it would just be a rectangle, right? Like a little skinny piece. Even those can go in the oven. So yeah, just set them up. So this is it all done. And I'm going to be putting them in the oven for about 10 or 12 minutes. Or just do them until they look like what you want them to look like. Put it that way. So here it is, all bubbling in the oven. Check bubbles, bubbles, check bubbles coming through. Ooh. So Vibes fam, this is it all done, and I could leave them in there longer, but my daughter is gonna eat them and she likes them this way. And Vibes fam, here we have it, right? Just the right amount of crisp around the edge. As I said, for me personally, I love crispy bacon, so they could be in there longer, but you know, baby girl, yeah, she likes them this way. They gotta eat them up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please say hi in the comments. How about say hi and give me a thumbs up, please? It helps my channel. Go over Instagram and on Facebook and follow me. Thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate you. God bless you.